Hisense's rise to prominence in North America has been more recent, but they've actually been around since these were current, 56 years to be precise.
Method to stick, detaching, and
They said 0.06
no,
in my
the
notes.
deviation. The deviation
Oh, okay.
0.06.
So I read all that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So quickly.
Yeah, we can go see the production.
This isn't just about saving on labor costs, but also about improving quality. Back panel loading like this used to be done by squishy humans. Final step for what they call module assembly, pressing down the panel on the backplane to secure the foam tape. That you, the customer, will remove later, but it has one on the back that they need to take off. So this is an automatic peel remover machine, and then it has air things that blow it away and get rid of it. Wow. If a problem is identified, human's still the king. It gets fixed here, then the back cover gets installed. Even miracles take a little time, and the longer we stand here, the less we're gonna have. Ah, that's another 5 seconds. Let's go, 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 go. Bottom line, RGB MiniLED results in incredible color saturation and unreal brightness that really makes HDR content pop. Starting with the traditional approach, which was to illuminate the back of an LCD panel as evenly as possible. This led to blacks that were really more like gray. These can be brightened or dimmed in zones according to the type of content in front of them, dramatically increasing perceived contrast. Over the years, they leveled up a lot with smaller LEDs, more numerous zones, and high-energy blue backlights.
In total, it has 40% computing capability higher.
We survived. Yeah, thanks everybody.